This is POCO M5, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings. In here, enter the apps category, then go for the manage apps section. At the top right corner, tap on the three vertical dots, default apps, then go for the browser section. And in here, simply tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as your default app for browsing. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and launch it. In here, at the bottom right corner, you gotta tap on this little avatar, then go for the cog icon that stands for settings. At the settings page, scroll it down for a little bit until you'll be able to find the default browser section. Tap on it, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.